Welcome friends. In this Android application development tutorial, we will be going through some prerequisites and overview of Android application development. Prerequisites means what you should already know to go through this series. Java. If you have some experience in writing code with Java, that would be helpful to develop Android applications. XML. If you have worked upon XML, it will help you to build a very good user interface in Android applications. Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and we will be developing our Android applications in Eclipse. So if you have some past experience with Eclipse, that would be very good. Object-oriented programming. It is an programming concept which helps us to develop Android applications in a more efficient way. So, if you have past experience with OOP or you have worked on applications that use the same concept, that would be very helpful. And the last is Android user experience. If you have used Android phone in your real life, that would be very helpful. So all these things are required to develop Android applications. If you don't have the knowledge about Java, XML and Eclipse, don't worry. Go to our courses on Java, XML and Eclipse and you'll be ready with these prerequisites. Now let's have a look at Android versions. Android version 1.5 was Cupcake using the API level 3 and so on. 1.6 was Donut using API level 4, 2.1 Eclair API level 7 and the latest is Jelly Beans which is version 4.1 and uses the API level 16. We will be developing with 2.3 which is Gingerbread. Gingerbread is the code name for version 2.3 and we will be using API level 10 for this course. Now let's see some fundamentals of applications in Android. The applications in Android is written in Java. So that's why we needed the prerequisites that you have the knowledge of Java. The user interface of Android applications is being developed using XML. XML is Extensible Markup Language. The application runs in Linux processes and their own sandbox, and the application are being compiled into Android package files which are .apk file. So this was the tutorial upon some prerequisites and overview of Android application development. Thank you.